Hi. I'm trying to start stream. I'm trying to figure out um what the Twitch what the Twitch coding. I forget what it's called. I'm trying to, cause I want to just code, but I don't know what it's called. And when I try to look up, I don't know what the, maybe is it game? It might be game making or something actually. Let me look, cause I have it. Uh, Wait, hold on. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna find. Nope. Nope. What is it called? I forget what it's called. Now I have it set the battle bit, and I feel bad because people are like, "What? Why do you have it set the battle bit?" I forget. I don't. I forget. I should have. I started stream hastily without even thinking, and now I'm suffering the consequences. Oh. What is it called? What's the stupid thing called? No, I don't know. Let me browse. Let me go to the browse feature. I'm gonna figure this out. Creative. It's probably in the creative thing. Software and there it is. It's software and game development. That this should be good. All right, there we go. Now it's actually properly set. I still need to make a. I forgot about a thumbnail for YouTube, so I'm also gonna have to make that. But while that happens, I guess I can talk about what the hell I'm doing. So what am I doing? Well, um, if it's good, I'm hoping the stream quality is at least decent. Looks to be somewhat decent. Good enough. I'm coding. I started coding a game. This time, I just want to finish it. And I figured, why not do a stream of me making the game? Because that could be fun. And so here I am. Yep, that's it. I'm making a third game in a series I have called, it's just called Robot Invasion, and and yeah, we're gonna hopefully I'm actually gonna make this one. Hopefully, because I've like started so many games, and yet um so many of the games I tried to make I just like forget about and stop. Like I mean to finish them, but they completely slipped my mind for days, weeks, and then suddenly it's like, oh right, I forgot about this game, and I go back to it, and it's like, man, I don't even know what the plan was for this. So hopefully that doesn't happen with this one. I pray it does not happen with this one. Um, I need to be quicker with my. I'm making a thumbnail right now. Haven't even gotten to the game, man. Here we go. Scratch. I'll just copy this. I'm just gonna take this. This works. New layer. Perfect. I'm sure they won't mind me using this image. It's literally just a blue background with scratch. This should be good enough. There we go. I don't know. Oh, that's a huge warp. You can like warp it a little. I don't know, make it interesting looking. I don't know why, but I've started really liking using the warp thing on GIMP. It's just goofy. It makes it all goofy and wavy, and I like it. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Scratch. And then I don't know, I'll paste I'll slap the bread deputy on for good measure, you know? Yeah, slap the bread deputy down. There we go. To show that, yep, this is me. All right, perfect. Let's export this, and then we can actually begin the coding adventure. I really should have set this all up. I didn't. Completely forgot about setting it all up. I'm not gonna lie. Silly me. Oopsie daisy. All right. Well, now that I have my thumbnail, I hope. I hope I have my thumbnail. There it is. Perfect. Very appropriate. It's better. It's better than my channel banner as the thumbnail. I know that much. It's it's better than just that. So if I could please get to my, I just want to get to the. There we go. Let me close some of these tabs. I have like 50 different tabs open. It's a little silly. Good, please. There we go. Yes, yes. Good. Okay. And yeah, I think we can finally begin our little coding journey. So here it is. Here's um the game so far. Very little progress. I just started this a couple days ago. I got a few basic things down though. Movement. Right, so I can move around. I can shoot when I click. Um, this is my health. It's gonna be a health meter at some point, and we have little robots that can move around. Although right now they're just moving around at random, really. So I'm gonna hopefully change that this stream, and that just slipped and fell. I'm gonna hopefully change that this stream. But yeah, for now though, I have I had a little checklist of things that I was gonna do so that I don't forget, because I don't want to start streaming and be like, oh shoot, what was I gonna do, and then forget about it. So yeah, so the first thing I actually want to make a level. So I got like this set out. I'm not really for the level. I think I just know that you're gonna start down here, and then you have to go to like these 3 points at some point. I don't think you have to go. Yeah, you won't have to go to them in any order. I don't think. At least hope. I don't know. That's. I'm not gonna code it to be in a specific order. So we'll see. We'll see. For now, level design is not my forte, but I'm sure it will be once I'm done. Hope. So, alright, so I know you start here. Oh, shoot. Well, there goes the brown I just collected. The lovely brown I found. Here we go. I'll just there we go. A little dirt path. And I don't know, it probably like goes through all of these maybe. I don't know. Maybe it'll be like it'll be a path that forks. There we go. Kind of like that maybe. I don't know. Actually, I don't know. Maybe I should make them go like further out. Make the world seem bigger, you know? There we go. See? You go to those three. Kind of like, you know, a practice level, right? It shows you have a path of where you're supposed to go. Actually, I can move around this. There we go. I can move around this and see how it looks. I might want to make the path smaller actually. Maybe. I could leave the path this big. I'm not really sure where you are right now. I'm still so this game very very early in design right now. Very I mean this right here, the movement changed. Um originally I set out to create a space multi-directional shooter, and it whoa. Oh, right, I forgot. I still want to change that later. Whenever you hit like 1000, it like loops back over. I want to change that though to where it doesn't loop over and to where instead it just stops, cuz okay, that was that I was originally making a multi-directional space shooter, and then I was like, I could use this for something else that I might have more fun with. Like a third installment in my little series here. The first two games, I'm not gonna lie, pretty bad. But but also they were made like 5 years ago. um, uh, and so I'm hoping this one is gonna be not only like the third one, but like the best one. Probably one of the better games I've ever made on Scratch. Because again, I don't really um I don't really code on Scratch too often. Hmm. I seem to not. I can't even. I'm just realizing I don't even make it all the way over here, and I loop over. So I might have to set the max and the minimum. That's right. Um. Okay, so here's what I want to do. I want to change this because again, I don't want it to loop over. I want. I don't know. I don't know if I'll bother with that yet. Actually, I don't know. For now, this will work. Just for now. Um. Let me get rid of these. Can I get rid of? I cannot. I don't think I can grab the. I want to grab the letters. Oh, I got C. Let me just come on. Come on, A. I don't need you here right now. You know what? That's fine. We'll just leave A. A will be like a little Easter egg. B has completely been just smushed over. C is the only one that really remains a trooper. Maybe I think it'll be like some sort of collectible. I think, which is probably what I'm gonna do this for. This was a space station, but I guess these will be collectibles. What are you gonna collect? Good question. We're gonna figure that out. Intel. Intel, actually, yeah. You know what? The first one you go out and collect Intel. I want that. Hmm. Could have it just on a piece of paper, which would be goofy because they're robots. Howdy, hey, the all-seeing duck. How's it going? How's it going? Just trying to make a game here. I'm trying to figure out what I want for now, though. I think the client. We're just gonna make it like a coin. Well, it's not gonna be a coin in the end, but for now, because I don't want to sit here and be like, well, maybe it could be this, maybe it could be that. I want to try to keep it going. For now, I guess the collectible will be a coin, but later on, it's gonna be something else. Anyway, yeah, right now I'm coding the third game in a series I started 5 years ago. I made two of, and then they both kind of sucked. It's all going good, and hope to see you going. Yeah, I'm good, doing good. Some very early morning, coding. Very early morning coding. Right now, I'm designing sort of first level. So right here, this is sort of like a hub world. In the game I'm making, a robot invasion where you fight robots. Um, and this is sort of like a hub world where you go around. You have the shop where you buy stuff, and then you have the missions. Pretty basic. I figured you could like go around, maybe talk to other characters as well. Maybe get a feel for some, I guess, story through that if you're interested, and then if you're not, you can just go straight to the missions. And then over here is the first mission I'm working on. Figure it'll be pretty simple. You just go to these 3 points and then you collect a intel from the robots to see what's going on. But yeah, it's it's very basic. I just started this. You can move around. You can't shoot the robots though. You can't be hurt by them either. But I think I'm gonna change that. I'm gonna change that right now. Also, here's the other 2 types. Every game I've made of this series always has like the 3 types. This is like the normal one. This one is faster, but has less health. This one is slower, but has more health. That's pretty normal, pretty basic stuff. And then also, I'm hopefully gonna change the movement. I don't know how I'm gonna change the movement, but we're gonna find out. It's gonna be figured out eventually, hopefully. So for now, I want. Hold on, touching or enemy. There we go. Edge or enemy. So when it touches an enemy, it'll stop. Then touching. Actually, I also want to wait 0.1 seconds. That is to make sure that it doesn't delete the clone too quickly, and it doesn't register the hit. Here I'll do if. Here, when I start as a clone, I want the, was it, enemy HP. So set enemy HP to, I believe I set these guys like 5. So it starts off, it gives them 5 health. Then if I can find it, if is, there we go. Yeah, if the enemy health is less than 1, so toss that into the loop here. It will delete the clone. There we go. Then also, I don't know if there's a better way to have this set up, but this is how I'm having it set up. Also, if it's touching the bullet, it will change HP by -1. All right. So now, if that'll please save. If I shoot these guys, if I can catch up to them, they're kind of running away. They're not. Now they're scared of me. Now I can kill them. They're like, oh no. Come on, die. Okay, so something's not right here. That's right. Wait, no. Okay, so they have not died yet. They are not dying. The clones are still remaining strong. Man, these. All right. So I did that wrong. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Enemy. Is that less than 1? True. So why isn't it deleting the clone? Oh, wait. I see. I put that in the wrong loop here. Let's put this. I just realized I put that in a completely wrong loop. Here, you know what? I know. Hold on. Here we go. I put that. That was a horrifically wrong. I'm gonna put that in this loop. I'll put it with the camera thing. That works. I got different loops. I technically it'd probably be better if I made a whole separate loop completely. Oh well. This is how I'll manage. Okay, so let's try this now. Yeah, look at that. So oh, he died instantly. Wait, hold on a moment. If I just hold the Oh no, wait a minute. If I hold... Okay, so I got a little lazy. May have gotten a little lazy, and I decided to just use the bullet as the crosshair, so it's invisible. Right, so whenever I click, it just creates a clone of itself. However, now it appears that if I just hold the bullet over the enemy, it it kills him. How silly. So it looks like, you know what, I'm just gonna take this one. I'll make this a crosshair. This was again another thing from the other game that I'm not using. So I'm just gonna make a crosshair out of it. That's what happens when you get lazy. So oh. There's also this texture I didn't remove. There we go. That would have been a weird crosshair that just said danger right next to it. Where's the center? Oh, there we go. Red. Nope. Why did I do that? Red. Do like 5. Yeah, I don't know. Just a basic little crosshair. There we go. So we'll show the crosshair. And I'll just drag this stuff over. So do that. Then I'll have to set up a broadcast. Shoot. Then from here it'll shoot. When it hears that, it'll... I don't think it needs to wait 0.2 seconds. It's not gonna need to do, at least not in there. Sprite is clicked. Broadcast shoot. Wait, 0.1. Should work. I don't need the ghost effect though. Sprite is clicked. Broadcast shoot. Create a clone of myself. Oh, I don't need that. Hold on, let me. Okay, it's there we go. Okay. Oh, and okay, so it's working much better now. If I hold it over, it won't kill, and then if I shoot it a bunch, it dies eventually. It'll eventually die. 1, 2. Okay, it shouldn't die in 2 hits. That's a little concerning. That's not what I wanted. 1, 2. Oh. It perished. Just like that. Maybe it might be because it takes forever to delete the thing. Here, what happens if I do this? Because I think it might just take too long to go away. Maybe Scratch improved itself. I don't need to do that. 1, 2. Oh, 3. 3. Stop moving. 4, 5. And he's dead. He's perished. He's gone. Beautiful. I still don't know what I'm going to do about this bullet. Why is that bullet just chilling there? Go, hide. Go away. I don't need you. See, again, I feel like it just goes away too quickly. And it doesn't register some of the hits. Which is why I put that there originally. But now I feel if it takes too long. So maybe I'll just set it to like a zook. Like that. Or I could just do 0 seconds. That would be good. I think that would be a good enough buffer. Hopefully. Unless it just skips over that code. No, it doesn't. Okay. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, yeah. So maybe what I might want to do is, because it's like this is like calculating where it like it should appear. I think that's also messing with it. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna. This was the best way to do it anyway. That was, if I want like good interaction between the bullet and the enemy. That would be the best way to do it. 1. Where are you? 2. Okay, and he's dead. What? Why? I barely touched him. I barely. If I just touch him, will he just die eventually? I don't know. Okay, okay, he does die. Again, I think I might want to move because where do I have this? Right. Okay, I see the issue. So what's happening is it's doing this repeat thing. Okay, okay, okay. No, I get it. I get it. I see what needs to be done. So it won't check to see if the enemy is dead until it is it's done doing its movement. So we'll just have to do this instead. There we go. And this should actually be that just might have been the issue from the start. That might have just been the There we go. Okay, that's much. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, shouldn't one. Hold on, 1, 2, 3. Why is it dying in 3 hits? Here, we'll solve that problem. Come on, give me some enemies. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Okay, okay. I think I got it. I think I got it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Okay, so now we got that working. Now we have. We're getting there. Now that I can kill the enemies, I want the enemies to be able to kill me. So I might actually develop a hitbox because I don't want it to where if they like touch like the little gun I got going on here. I don't want that to kill me. Cause that'd be a little annoying if they could, especially since it kind of protrudes out, you know. It's like you're aiming at them and they're coming at you, so that'd be a little annoying if you're like looking back and they're right on top of you. I think what I also might do, I might actually have it set up to where if they're touching the player, the robots like die or something or take damage themselves. Mainly because I don't want them getting stuck on you, and then it's like you're like, oh no, get off me, and they're like stuck on you, and you can't kill them, or for some weird reason. So I might have them take damage eventually, maybe not right now, but at some point. So let's get to coding that. So I want health. I have health. Here's the health variable. Is this all I have? Okay, that's why I forgot. This thing really is just look at the mouse. That's all there is to it. This is from the multi-directional shooter thing. I don't need that. Let's clean up the space a little. So I want, let's duplicate this. I'll set HP to 100 forever. Hold on. So we'll have if. Actually, wait, I have 2 ifs right here. Here we go. If. There's probably better ways to code this. I'm not. I'm not the best at coding. This is just me. Just try. I know it should work, so I'm gonna hope it works. Better ways to optimize it, probably. But and then I don't know. That'll like broadcast a game over. I don't want to deal with a game over. So I'm not going to yet. But yeah, I figure if it touch them, they'll like do 5 damage or something. Touching enemy. There we go. So now if I touch the enemy, let me get the health out. Let me whip out the health. So now if I touch, I gotta catch up to them because again, their movements are random. They're not meant to come after me just yet. Oh my gosh. Okay, so clearly there's an issue there. Here, let me, we'll give it like a 1 second buffer. Wait, no, if I do that, then it'll take 1 second for you to die. Oh, that'll be fine. That'll be fine for now. Oh, and he spawned right on top of me. But as you can see, it'll be a little annoying because then you, like, you aim and then, oh no, you're like, oh no, I'm dying. Oh no. Okay, so, but I don't want this to be shown through this. I want it to be shown through this heart. So, here's what we're gonna do. If we'll slap some of these, we'll get some of these going. I have a couple costumes. This was the original health bar. The original health bar was gonna be a line that was drawn across this, and then as you get hurt, it'll go down. However, it turns out, you can't draw on top of sprites. You can only drop on the backdrop, which really sucks. So, yeah, very unlucky there. Very unlucky there. Very annoyingly unlucky there. But we'll do HP. HP is like bigger than 50. If it's like bigger than, I'll go like 60, and then we'll go like 40. Yeah, no. We'll go 30. Not 30 now, not 30. There we go. If it's bigger than this, that'll set costume. Nah, all right. Yeah, no, that's what I want for this one. But costume, I think 3 would be this. So then costume 2 would be this one. Oh, try to save again. There we go. So now my health is 100, and as I get damaged, the health bar should hopefully go down. I don't know why I shot him. I want to test if I can get hurt or not. I don't want to kill them. I want them to kill me. Oh, come on, man. Come back here, man. Get back here. Get back. Kill me. Kill me. Come on, man. Okay. He is schmoving, okay. And now, there we go. Okay, so the heart's down. Oh, and now I got real big ouchies. I just realized I was like I was waiting to look for it, and I realized my phone was covering it, so I couldn't actually properly see what was happening. But yeah, so there's that. There's the health bar. I might want to get maybe a more proper one that actually shows you how close you are to death. With like numbers on it. But nah, we don't need to worry about that. Actually, I guess I could just here. There we go. Yay, problem solved. Numbers on the heart. That show you how much perfect. I love it when it's simple like that. Ooh, that doesn't line up very well. Right, okay. Next thing. So I got enemy. I think I'm gonna try out to solve the enemy movement. I made my test. I sure the test level this works. It's a good. I think it's good enough test level. Yeah, I don't. There's not when it comes to like the world, I think it's gonna be more like there's not really anything you can necessarily collide with, on except for the border of the world. So I think. Actually, you know what? I do actually want to set that up. I want to set up the border of the world. I think because I don't want to loop over. So actually, I think I should be able to make that loop over thing change very easily. So for example, here I don't really need to go past this point. So like 500. So then, yeah, that's the thing. It would have to be. this would have to be very. You can do it. Thank you, Buckplugged. Thank you. I believe in you. Yeah, I'm trying. I know it's possible. I'm trying to figure out. All right, how do I do this? I don't. I think I'm gonna have to do it within the moving thing, since this is when I'm moving. Trying to think. So if I'm guessing if it's going positive, T, it would have to be in the direction I'm going. So I'll have to. Do I want to make a now? Do I want to make a list or do I want to just make a variable? Because I make a variable, it would have. I feel like it would have to be like a separate variable. If I make a list, if I make a list, do max. I don't use the lists too much. So let's see, max. What would it be? Max movement? Move. We'll just do max. Whatever. I could just did world border actually. You know what? I'm gonna rename it world border. There we go. So world border. So for example, in this world border. So yeah, it'd be item 1 of world border. So let's take this. I'm on the Y, so if I press W, it'll go up. So if, there we go, cam Y, right, is not, I think I want to be is not. So it'll be W pressed and not. Here we'll do item 1 of world border, right? So item 1, I'll have to add that. Add thing to world border. What would that be? You're streaming 3, which makes it. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, no, I can't. My Wi-Fi is so bad. I cannot stream at any higher than 360p. That'll change soon, but as for now, I'm stuck streaming at 360p, so I apologize. If you want, I don't know if you joined the Discord. Someone joined the Discord. Looks might have been you. It might have, I don't know. If you did join the Discord though, if you want to see if you do want to see the code, I guess either I could just public it if you want to look at the code. That's one thing you could do. So add, but yeah, I'll just do like 5. I think I just add 500, can't I? Yeah, let me show. Let me. No, okay, 500. And cam not. It's not greater than. There we go. I can't really do more than just watch the stream at the moment. What kind of game are you making? I am making so this is the 3rd game in a series I started about 5 years ago called Robot Invasion. The first 2 games weren't that great, and I haven't really made too many scratch games as of recent, and I figured I was starting out on making a multi-directional shooter. And then I was like, you know what? I could change this to do something better. And so I started working on this. And I want this to be sort of like an actual good game. Because the other games are, if I can find them, I have like a bunch. As you can see, a lot of these never finished. Some of these didn't even have titles. But yeah, the older ones, let me scroll way down. So like for the sequel, the second one, wasn't that good. It was just, it was this. This is the game. And it's this for like whenever the time limit is over. Not bad necessarily. You plan on sometimes sometimes this one actually I think these ones I didn't, and then for a while I actually did try to plan out the games. I planned out the games more for a bit, and then this one I kind of spontaneously did it. Because I was like, you know what, because I was interested in the in this, because I actually kind of guessed this whole camera thing. I guessed this completely, and I was like, you know what, I could make that game I always wanted to make. And so that's what I'm doing. I'm making that game I always wanted to make for Robot Invasion. Very, very unique title. If you plan them out before separate, more likely to get it finished? Probably. I probably do want to plan out more. This was, like I said, this was more of a spontaneous thing that I thought of randomly. At one point, I was like, "This is good. This is good." Where's the movement? Oh, that's right. Yeah, this is a little spaghetti code. Yeah, I love me some spaghetti code. Tasty. Tasty. All right. Okay. So I know how far I want to go up. Now I need to figure out how far down I want to go. But yeah, I don't know. I don't, when it comes to planning, I'm not that good at planning. But I do see what you mean. Yeah. Pro I'll probably plan out more outside of stream, but otherwise, I don't know. Here we go. So then we'll do cam y is, I think we'll actually want this to be less than, because it's a negative number. So cam y, not less than, actually, whatever, not less than, whatever. Not less than item 2. So now I need to add, it can just be some scribbles on a piece of paper. Yeah. I know, I know what you mean. I know what you mean. This is not, that's not right. Something's not right with that code. There we go. This is a little better. Oh, no, still a little off. I think this is what I meant. Nope, I didn't do that right. False. Item 2. False. Not item 2. Wait. So then I want. Oh, there we. Nope. Oh, wait. Hold on. I don't worry. I mixed them around, I think. Not item. Not less than. Hold on. Will you give me a moment? So item 2 is false. True. Hold on. I'm getting there. There we go. Okay, I don't know what I did wrong the first time. I probably had it right the first time and didn't realize it. There we go. Okay. I got it there eventually. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna do more play. I do have some idea in my head though. I know I want there to be. I know I'm gonna add different guns, boss battles in a few of them. I think I'm not gonna do too many levels because it's a scratch game, and it's like if I go, I feel if I make enough levels at some point, I probably should add like a save system just because I can't expect someone to like sit there for like hours on like a super long game. So probably like maybe at most 10 at most because I feel too much higher. At that point, that's still kind of long for a scratch game. I just don't want to go too long, and then it's like, oh well, because I know I would be a little annoyed if I was playing a scratch game and it was like a for some reason a really long scratch game, and then I get off and then I get back on and it's like, oh, gotta start all over. Gotta redo it all. Yeah, no, that would be not fun. Right. Okay. So what I was doing, that's right. I was making the world border, and it like changes with each. Right. So I got this. This. All right. At least this is actually working. I actually figured out how to use the. If I can find. There we go. The list thing quite well. Surprise, surprise. I gotta find. Now I gotta find the other. The limit over here. Probably should have had like some music in the background while I did this so it's not as boring. Yeah, I'll probably just add another 1,000. Actually, you know what? Since it's also 1,000, let's Let's make it easy on me. Now it'd have to be like cam X. Now I'm in the negatives, so it actually would probably be pretty similar. Where is... This is A. Is it really... Can I just do this? Would this just work? There we go. All right, cool. That works. That makes it way easier on me. Okay, now I gotta try... Actually, here. Almost, there you go. Speed up the process a little by doing that. Is there a better way? Probably, because I'm gonna have to change this code eventually. Actually, I will. I'll actually have to change. I actually might want to add another 1,000 because then I could just delete it all, and then whenever it loads a new level, it'll just add it in that order, make a proper world border. I'm still going. I did not. I stopped paying attention. Yeah, I'll just do a 1,000. I'll just do 1,000. That'll work. That'll work. Take this one. Cam X. No, that's stage X. Cam X. Item 4. That's when D is pressed. There you go. I think we have. There we go. We have our world, an actual proper world border, kind of. That's changeable, which is very good. Very good. Instead of looping over, which, yeah, this will work. This will do just fine. Okay. So now I got the... That's right. I wanted to work on enemy movement, which still actually kind of loops over, but that's all right. That'll be okay. That'll be okay. Now, how do I make enemy... How long have I been going for? Curious. Oh, wow. 10... What? 10... Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, the... 10 minutes. All right, that's actually not too bad. Or not 10 minutes. 48 minutes. I don't think I'm awake. I like clicked on my stream thing and it said I've been going for 10 minutes and then it actually loaded. It went to like 15 minutes and I actually a little concerned. Actually got a little concerned. Because if I had done all this in 10 minutes, that would have thrown me off completely. I would have been overwhelmed and confused. Now then, let's keep going. Let's keep going. I'll just do this forever. It'll delete the clone anyway. Forever. So now I need to figure out how I'm gonna get it to go towards this guy. So we're gonna figure this out. Okay. We're gonna math. Okay, so we have its current X and Y. So I'm gonna need these. Gonna need these. And somehow I want to make this equal this and this equals this, but not immediately. I want to slowly do it. You know? Slowly go towards that. So how am I gonna do that? Good question, me. Good question. I'm sure there's a way to do it. I know there's a way to do it. No, I don't want that. That's way too much health. So I want this to... So maybe it could be like an if. See, I know there's a way to do it. Because if I just do like cam X, if the camera of the X is bigger than the current X, subtract. If I do that, that wouldn't work. I don't think. Not well enough. That wouldn't. Yeah, no, that wouldn't. Well, because then if I did it for each, then it would be. Then I just don't see that working right. You know what? Screw it. let's find out what happens if I do this. What happens? This is all about testing. We're a learning experience. We're gonna learn together on how to do this. Some of you probably already know, and you're like, "Hey, dumbass, I'm gonna figure out my own. Don't worry. I'll come to the conclusion at some point. Don't worry. I should probably comment my code at some point. I'm gonna need to do that later. Before, yeah, okay, that's right. Before this gets too complicated. Scratch. I need to learn an actual. Not that Scratch isn't an actual coding language, but I feel I kind of want to learn an actual coding language at some point. But this'll work. This'll do. Um. So then if x is bigger than the y, then I want to subtract x by, I don't know, 3. Let's see. This could work. This could work. So then if the x is bigger, then we're going to add 3, and then we'll do the same for the y. Be 3. Wait, if camera x is bigger, subtract. Wait, what? No. I think I swapped those around. Hold on, no. I swapped those around. Whoops. Don't want to do that. Don't want to get confused now. Okay, so if it's bigger, I don't want to add. If it's smaller, then I want to take away. What happens if I just do this? Will they actually come to me? Oh, well, never mind. They've swarmed me quite fast. And now they're on me. Oh, and I am dying. Okay, well, that actually worked better than I thought. I didn't think that would actually work too well, but it worked quite well. 1-1. I think they came a little. They found me pretty fast. Okay, there we go. But yeah, so now they're all coming towards me, and oh yeah, oh my gosh, this is a swarm. Back you. Oh, I can kind of like group them up. Nope, he's on me. Okay, so this kind of works. This kind of works. No, this basically works. Well, there we go. That works. Now I don't want them to constantly swarm me though, because when I'm doing like I don't want to start the mission, be like all the way down here, and then all the guys that are like all around here immediately just start swarming me. That would be terrible. So I got an idea. So we'll put this in an even bigger. We're gonna like if the hell out of this. All right. So now it's in a. Now we're gonna put this in a bigger if. And I might use something like this. But I want to. What do I want to do? Because this is basically like if it's right. So this calculates the camera, right? Should the sprite appear? Is it close enough to actually appear on the screen? So I might use something like this. Although what I might do like 200. We'll like round it out. So like 200, 250, maybe 300. And this'll. We'll just do it in like two, maybe something like that. If it's in range, if it's close to me, then they will start making their way towards me. So when I start off the bat, sure, like this guy will come after me. He'll swarm me. I need to hide the world border. Hold on a moment. Go away. Here, let me full screen this. Okay. Now I need to find them. Okay. Now that he found me, he's running towards me. But if I run away, eventually he should just stop chasing me. And there we go. He stopped chasing me, but then I go up to him. He finds me and he chases me. That works. This'll work. I think I still want to do some other stuff, like maybe like have them like sort of like do a patrol or something. I might also, since the game is so zoomed in. I actually thought about this. Maybe like have a button that presses it to like zoom out some. Like you're not able to move, but you can like zoom out the camera some and then see ahead to see where they are. Um, so stuff like that. Oh, there they are. But that's not what I have planned. So this is all right. That was actually easier than I thought it would be, it's not too bad. It basically works. It works. There we go. They follow me. And then when I escape them, they don't follow me. Very convenient, like so. It's pretty not bad. Not bad. Not bad at all. Okay. So yeah, we actually got some stuff going on here. Very, very happy with that. Next on the chopping. Do I want to keep I think I'll keep going. Because I know I want to make NPCs. That's right. For around, for you to go up, talk to the shop, go get your mission, or go talk to the people around the hub world here for the lore. So here I'm just gonna take this character, copy him, gonna paste him. I don't know if they should be holding guns though. And they don't need to be holding. Yeah, they don't need to be. I'll change their color to like a dark red. Then we could have maybe like one guy who's like a dark yellow. Okay, hold on. I actually gotta change it. Stuff like that. There you go. Then we got another one who's like a side. Why does that color hurt to look at? I'm changing that. I don't know. That color like blinded me for no reason, and I don't know why. It was a dark color too. My eyes hate that color apparently. All right, maybe I shouldn't have worded it like that. I feel like I could have worded that a little better. I don't want this shown, right? Because I think I want these as like clones. Because I don't want like a bunch of different NPCs. So for now, I'll make a clone. I'll have to like. There's definitely a lot of stuff I am going to have to change later on, so that makes just more sense. And instead of having to like code for a bunch of separate specific situations, I can just code it and it'll be much more convenient. Okay, so we'll start with the shopkeeper, right? So the shop, I'll get like around here. So this guy also is going to need his own X and Y. X. Stage X. Who? Stage X. Does the stage need an X? Why does the stage have... I don't think the stage needs an X. Why does it have an X? I'm a little confused. Should be NPC X, not stage X. Why did it? No. Okay, there it goes. What? Oh, was I? I think I was on the stage on accident. We don't need that. All right, so X, Y. There we go. Okay. Another X and Y for this. And when I start as a clone, of course it'll be. I think I'll have to like add like a thing for the list, to where if it equals that, then it's like okay, so it's an NPC for the shop, and it'll go here. Also, I don't know. We'll start that now. NPC. There we go. There's an NPC list. So I guess 1. I could literally just make it 1, 2, 3, 4. So, right. So 1 would equal like a shop guy, right? 2 would be, I don't know, missions guy. No, I don't want. Don't need that. We could have like 3, then like a 4, stuff like that. So we'll just set up now. No, but why bother doing it later, you know? Make it hard on me, so. I guess it would be if. What would. That can't be right. Oh, apparently I can just shove that in there. That's cool. Um, Actually, you know what I might do instead? I don't think that doesn't seem. I might have it to where maybe like sets the first item. Maybe that's what it'll do. It'll set the first item to whatever before it makes a clone. I think that's what I might do instead. We'll just do that. So here. So if I technically I could have just done that with a variable though, couldn't I? I could have just done that with a variable. I don't think I need a list. Yeah, I don't need we don't need all this. Let's do that with a variable. NPC. So I'll set NPC to 1. If it equals 1, then that's the shop dude. So if it equals 1, set, nope, whoa, I teleported. Set X, Y, shoot, what was my variables? All right, so Y was, so the Y was 285. The X was, I think it was 265. Oh, show, definitely, we want to show. What is that? I missed it already. All right, show. Do I want that? All right, well, no, that's fine. Show here. Well, yeah, actually, then show it. Don't want to show it yet until we got it there. Even though it'll happen like a blink of an eye, but still. So I want it facing. I want it pointing direction. I want it facing downwards as well. So if I do that, I didn't. Why did I do that? I know I need to create a clone. Do this. Okay, so I failed to realize that hold on a moment, let me just take some of that code. And here we go. Let's try that again. Nope. Wire. Oh, right. I forgot the forever part. No. So, you're being a silly guy. Why are you being a silly fellow? Why are you showing your face here? Here. Okay, so now you're just gone. Okay, now you function. Oh, wait. It's because I didn't. Because I didn't create it. I have to. Here, maybe if I had this, that would have just worked out much better. Oh. This thing is really not. This thing is not liking me for some reason. Now there's 2. What is happening? What am I doing wrong? I need to delete the clone. Kill the clone. create it. Oh wait, it's because I did that. That's what's happening with at least with that. Is you need to hide. NPC equals 1, right? True. Well then, what's the holdup? Where are you? Oh, okay. So this was. I don't know why this is. I felt this first part would be the most basic part, and somehow it's not. How did I manage this? There we go. Okay. Now it's okay. Here, maybe I should do that. Just do that. There we go. Okay. Here we go. Now that. Got a guy. A fella, even. He should still be there when I return. There he is. All right. Yeah, let me just clear out these guys. And then we continue. All right. All right. Okay. Okay. Oh, why did I stop that? Why did I stop the thing? Right. Okay. Let me do some stuff. Let me take a peek. Take a peek around. Okay. Okay. I'll go for an hour. Am I gonna keep going? I mean, I feel like I made good progress, and I didn't want it to be like a super long stream. I just wanted to be a short, like, I'm doing this stream. That's about it. If I do any future streams, it might be more of like maybe like a devlog. Could do like a devlog. Why not? But for now, I mean, I feel like I made good progress for the stream. Was that I added this. So there's an NPC thing happening. The enemies follow me when I want them to. Just trust. I mean, you saw in the demonstration it worked. I got a health thing going on. And yeah. No, I think I made good progress. It's also really early in the morning. And I don't keep going. But this was fun. This was fun. So thanks for whoever joined the Discord. I don't know if it was Buck plugged or the All Saint Doc, but someone joined the Discord at some point, and that was very nice of them. So thanks to that person for doing that. So I think I'm gonna end it here though. That was a fun stream. I enjoyed that stream. It was nice. It was nice. Nice to do a little something different. I'm probably gonna get back to SMPing though, definitely by next stream, whether that be tomorrow or the day after. I don't know, but I think that'll be it. So yeah, that was the progress I made. Not technically, in the grand scheme of things, not a lot, but I mean, it was a lot enough. It was enough. That was an hour's worth of progress. So that gives me hope for the future.